Working with layers. Photoshop provides you with a feature to combine multiple elements to make one file with the help of layers. A layer can be defined as one transparent sheet on top of another. Each of these layers contain a part of the image, which are then combined to form the complete image. When you open a file in Photoshop, the first layer by default is the background layer with white color. This layer is locked and protected, which means you cannot delete this layer, blending mode or opacity of this layer. However, you can convert this layer into a regular layer by double-clicking on the lock icon and then make changes in it. In Photoshop, you can work on each layer independently and create the desired effect. You can also change the stacking order and can link the layers to work on them simultaneously. When working with an image, it is advisable to use a new layer above it to apply filters or for retouching tools. If you are unhappy with the effect, you can simply delete the layer without making any change in the original image. All the layers are visible in the Layers panel. Components of the Layers panel. Layers panel provide us with a variety of tools. Let us take a look at the components of the Layers panel. Indicates layer visibility. Add layer mask. Link layers. Add a layer style. Create new fill or adjustment layer. Create a new group. Create a new layer. Delete layer. Layers. Layer filtering options. Layers panel allows you to change the visibility of a layer to on and off by clicking on the eye icon next to the layer name. If you see the eye icon, it means the layer visibility is on. Clicking on the eye again will make the layer invisible. Rename a layer by double-clicking on the layer name. Change the order of the layers by clicking and dragging the layer up or down to the new position in the Layers panel. Create a new layer by clicking on the Create a New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Make a duplicate layer by right-clicking on the layer name and selecting the Duplicate Layer option. The Duplicate Layer dialog box appears. Type the name of the new layer. By default, it is the name of the copied layer with copy attached to the name of layer. Add a style to a layer by clicking on the Add a Layer Style button. Filter layers on the basis of pixel layers, adjustment layers, type layers, shape layers, and smart objects. Delete a layer by clicking on the Delete Layer button. Create a new fill or adjustment layer by clicking on the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button. Create a layer group by combining multiple layers. Creating a new layer. To create a new layer, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Layer option. 2. Click on the Create New Layer icon. Copying and moving a layer. We can copy or move a layer to some other location in the image. To copy or move a layer, select the layer from the palette and click on the Copy or Move tool. Now, click and drag the layer inside the workspace.